In this video, we'll walk through how to use Clevera's cursor settings to customize your product videos and make them look exactly how you want. To get started, click the cursor icon in the sidebar to open up your settings panel. This is where you can control everything from size to sound. First, let's look at cursor size. You can easily drag the slider to shrink your cursor for a subtle look, or crank it up if you really want to highlight specific movements. If you find the natural cursor movement a bit distracting, you can toggle Disable Idle Bounce. This smooths things out by removing those tiny movements during pauses. See? With that active, the cursor stays perfectly still whenever it's not moving to a new element. Now, let's talk about click sounds. Clevera gives you 3 distinct presets: clear, smooth, and vintage. You can click through them to find the one that best matches your video's vibe. Finally, you can fine-tune the click volume. Whether you want it crisp and audible, or just a faint hint of feedback, you've got full control. And that's how you master your cursor settings in Clevera. Go ahead and try these out on your next project to create that perfect professional finish.